the rate of technological advancement has never slowed down. However, according to futurist Peter Diamandis, we will experience more progress in the coming decade than we did in the preceding 100 years as technology reshapes health and materials sciences, energy, transportation, and a wide range of other businesses and areas. Knowing which trends are significant and which ones will bear less fruit presents a challenge for those in leadership positions in businesses. What types of technological trends are the most important? According to a study conducted by McKinsey & Company, there are 10 top technologies that are garnering the attention and funding of investors and innovators. These technologies include artificial intelligence, blockchain, and virtual reality. It is essential to get an understanding of the influence that the aforementioned technology trends will have on businesses, as well as on the individuals whose occupations will be disrupted, in order to mitigate the negative effects of disruptions caused by technological transitions. The following is a list of the top 10 trends in technology for the next 10 years. In the meantime, if you haven't already, please click the bell button to subscribe to our channel and show your support before we begin. 1. Computerization and automation of business procedures. As next-generation process automation and virtualization become more widespread in the coming decade, it is possible that half of all current work activities will be made obsolete by automation. According to a prediction made by McKinsey, there will be more than 50 billion devices connected to the Industrial Internet of Things, IoT, by the year 2025. A total of 79.4 zettabytes of data will be produced each year as a result of technological advancements such as robots, automation, and 3D printing. 2. The future of connectivity. It is possible that more rapid digital connections, such as those made possible by 5G and the Internet of Things, IoT, would liberate latent economic potential. To the point that the implementation of faster connections in mobility, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail could potentially enhance global GDP by up to $2 trillion by the year 2030. One of the most important developments in technology over the next 10 years will be 5G and the Internet of Things. Far greater network availability and capability will drive broad shifts in the business landscape, according to one researcher. These shifts will range from the digitization of manufacturing, through wireless control of mobile tools, machines, and robots, to decentralized energy delivery and remote patient monitoring. 3. Distributed infrastructure. As part of their decentralized information technology architecture, 70% of organizations are utilizing either hybrid cloud or multi-cloud platforms. This means that data and processing can be handled on the cloud, while at the same time being made more quickly accessible to devices. This development in technology will assist businesses in increasing their speed and agility, lowering their complexity, cutting expenses, and bolstering their cybersecurity defenses. 4. Next-generation computing. Computing of the next generation will help uncover answers to problems that have been bedeviling science and society for years, opening capabilities that have never been seen before for enterprises. It encompasses a wide range of advances with far-reaching implications, from quantum artificial intelligence to completely autonomous vehicles. And as a result, it won't be an urgent worry for all businesses. In order to get ready for the next generation of computing, you need to determine whether your company is in a first-wave industry like finance, travel, logistics, global energy and materials, and advanced industries, or whether your company relies on trade secrets and other data that needs to be protected during the transition from current to quantum cryptography. 6. Applied artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is currently one of the most prominent trends in technology. We are, of course, still in the early stages of development. However, as artificial intelligence technology becomes more advanced, it will be applied to the further development of technology-based tools. For example, machines will be trained to recognize patterns, and then they will act based on what they have detected. According to a forecast by McKinsey, artificial intelligence-generated speech will be the driving force behind more than 50% of people's interactions with computers by the year 2024. Any organization can receive good value from AI if it's used successfully and in a way that's repeatable, experts say. Even though most businesses are still looking for more efficient methods to employ artificial intelligence. 6. Future of programming. Prepare yourself for Software 2.0, which will use neural networks and machine learning to generate new software by writing code themselves. According to McKinsey, this trend in technology makes it possible for the rapid scaling and spread of new data-rich, AI-driven applications. Citation needed. In part, it might lead to the development of software programs that are significantly more powerful and versatile than anything that is now on the market. However, this will also make it easier to standardize and automate the processes that are currently involved in coding and the development of software. 7. Trust architecture. IT governance says that there were 1,243 security incidents in 2021, which resulted in over 5.1 billion records being compromised. This represents an 11% increase over the number of documents compromised in 2020. Criminals, notwithstanding the progress that has been made in cybersecurity, continue to redouble their efforts. Trust architectures are becoming increasingly popular in the tech industry and will be of assistance in the battle against cybercrime. Trust architectures reduce the cost of complying with security regulations, lower the operating and capital expenditures associated with cybersecurity, and enable more cost-efficient transactions, for example between buyers and sellers. In addition, trust architectures lower the risk of data breaches. 8. Biorevolution. There has been a convergence of recent advancements in biological research, which promises to have a tremendous impact on economies and human lives, and will touch businesses ranging from health and agriculture to consumer products, energy, and materials. Gene therapies, hyper-personalized pharmaceuticals, and genetics-based counseling on food and exercise are all expected to emerge as a result of the biorevolution, which is being driven by advances in artificial intelligence, AI, automation, and DNA sequencing. These developments in technology will give rise to new business opportunities, but they will also pose significant ethical concerns. Organizations need to evaluate their biological quotient, also known as their BQ, which refers to the degree to which they understand the implications of biological science. They should next determine the resources that they need to allocate to biological technologies, and then decide whether to incorporate those technologies into their existing research and development, or whether to partner with science-based startups. 9. Next-generation materials. The advancement of material science has the potential to revolutionize a variety of different market sectors. Graphene is one example of this type of material. Graphene consists of a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb lattice configuration. Despite its incredible thinness, graphene is approximately 200 times stronger than steel. In addition to this, it conducts electricity very well and has the potential to completely transform how semiconductors work. Nanoparticles of molybdenum disulfide, which are currently in use in the field of flexible electronics, is another candidate. Next-generation materials with significantly higher efficiency in many as yet untouched application areas may very well change the economics of industries and reconfigure companies within them. This will occur because these materials will change the economics of a wide range of products and services. 10. Future of CleanTech trends. Renewable sources of energy, better modes of transportation, energy-efficient structures, and responsible use of water are at the core of clean technology trends. As the costs associated with clean technology continue to decline, its use grows more prevalent, and their disruptive effects are felt in an increasing variety of industries. Companies need to plan operational improvement programs related to technological development, procurement, production, and cost reduction in order to keep up with increasing opportunities for expanding their businesses. The most important thing to take away from all of these trends is that we are entering an era of continuous and rapid evolution in which various technological trends feed into each other to create tremendous changes. This is the key takeaway from all of these trends. If you like these kinds of video, please give us a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel will be amazing. Thanks for watching.